Finally, 1,000 subscribers. I never thought I was going to reach this mark since I started the channel, because I thought my content was not going to be good enough for all of you that are watching my content. But luckily, I have great viewers and great subscribers, and you, by being part of my channel, you gave me this opportunity to reach 1,000 subscribers, which is very important for me, because I am the founder and owner of AUDI. Also, I have another channel called Francisco Amaya. It's about trucking too. I am the founder and owner too. If you want to check some extra content that I have there, you can go there, check that channel. It is about stuff to repairs. In this AUDI, you're gonna find different content about repairs, meets, races, and stuff like that. Probably, who knows, you wanna be on the next video on any matter. We are a team, and by that I mean, then I have my cameraman with me. He's Josh.
What's up, everybody?
He is always recording my videos on this channel and my main channel, Francisco Amaya. Tell something to the audience.
Yeah, Francisco wanted me to present myself today, so here I am right here. I'm the guy that's always behind the camera. I'm always the one that's trying to do the angles, the best angles, any shots I could get. I'm still learning each day to learn how to get my angles and everything right. You guys will probably see me like moving around and everything. It's just me trying to get the best angles, so it's for you guys and everything. Can I go back to the camera now?
Yes, you can.
All right.
He loves to be behind the camera. So he loves the camera. He doesn't know how to talk, but he's learning day by day. I started doing videos the same way. I know what to do, so everybody does the same way. But luckily, I have a great audience, and it's all of you that supported my channel, and thanks to all of you, I'm getting to this point, and I have the possibility to keep growing, and I wanna keep doing better content every day, so you guys can have the best videos possible in the future. So this is all I have to say to all of you. Overall, thank you. Thank you for all the support on this channel, and you won't be disappointed with the future content that is going to come in the future about different topics in general. So stay tuned on my channel. Also, follow me on Instagram. You can find me there as Francisco Amaya YouTube, and you can find my cameraman. Then on the description below, you're gonna find his information, how to get his profile. Thank you for your support, and probably, who knows, next time you are going to be on this video as well.